Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to turn your PowerPoint presentation into a video. I've made a PowerPoint presentation called Best Computer to Use on Holidays. I'll just scroll through some of the slides. Now, instead of just showing these to 30 people in a room, I've decided I'd make a video presentation and put it up on YouTube. If you hit the home key, you'll go back to the first slide, then go up to File, left click, down to Export, left click on Export, and go across to Create a Video. Click. Now, this video that you make, you can burn it to a disk, you can upload it to the web or email it. But before we do that, we have to choose a quality. The default is Full HD, but I'm just going to do Internet quality, which is 720p. Click on that. Now, you can select the number of seconds between slides if you haven't already done so. I'll set it here to 15, but I'm not going to use that because I've already selected time interval between all my slides. So click there and then go to the left to Create Video. Find the drive where you want to save it to. Click on the drive and make sure the file name's correct. Choose the file format, MPEG-4 or WMV. I've chosen WMV because the file size is a bit smaller, and click Save. Under the yellow cursor is a white bar which expands to the right as the video is being created. To keep the video short, I've speeded up this section about 20 times. Now when the bar gets to the end and disappears, that means the video has finished recording, and you can find it by using your File Explorer program and going to the relevant directory. So go to your File Explorer on your computer and come down to the drive where you've saved that file and click on it, and then up to the directory where you've saved it. Click on it, click on the file, and you can preview it if it's a WMV file. Hi folks, today I'm going to show you some previous computers I've taken with me on holidays and why I chose the new one as the best computer to use on holidays. So hopefully you now know how to turn your PowerPoint presentation into a video. This video and the other related one, Best Computer to Use on Holidays, are both available to view on YouTube, as is my series of problems with Windows 10. Some of them are called Addressing Windows 10 Data Concerns, Addressing Windows 10 Update Concerns, Addressing Windows 10 Privacy Concerns, Addressing Windows 10 Performance Concerns, plus more to follow. Bye for now.